Welcome back to Trend TV, your go-to source for the latest in tech. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of 2025, the Nothing Phone 3. If you're excited about innovation and cutting-edge design, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Let's talk design. The Nothing Phone 3 continues the brand's iconic transparent aesthetic but takes it up a notch with enhanced materials and a sleeker profile. Early leaks suggest an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 for added durability. And yes, the signature glyph interface is back, with customizable LED patterns for notifications and unique functionality. Moving on to the display. Rumors indicate a 6.7-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, we're expecting the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with up to 16GB of RAM. That means the Nothing Phone 3 will be a powerhouse, perfect for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. For photography enthusiasts, the Nothing Phone 3 might just be a game-changer. Speculations suggest a triple camera setup including a 50-megapixel primary sensor with improved low-light capabilities, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens for up to 5 times optical zoom. Selfie lovers, you're looking at a 32-megapixel front camera with advanced AI features. Battery life is crucial, and the Nothing Phone 3 doesn't disappoint. Expect a 4,800 mAh battery with 65-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging support. On the software side, Nothing OS 3.0, based on Android 14, offers a clean and minimalistic experience with a few exclusive features to enhance your daily usage. So when can you get your hands on the Nothing Phone 3? While Carl Pei's team hasn't officially announced a release date, industry insiders suggest a launch event in late Q1 2025, with pre-orders opening shortly after. Pricing? Expect it to start around $599, making it a strong competitor in the mid-range flagship space. That's everything we know so far about the Nothing Phone 3. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comments what feature you're looking forward to the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our in-depth review when the phone drops. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.